This is Tom, your host, with the Voynich manuscript. And I'd like to talk to you about the cat and the mouse, the motive, the motif of Wilfrid Voynich's business, his business card. And if you'll notice the mouse and the cat and the long back of the cat. And this is it right here. It's the heraldry, the herald, right here. Now take a good look at that. Wilfrid Voynich's motif catalogs 27 and 31. And it's his it's for his business, his book business. Now take a look at this. This is a tail, a long back. What we have here is four legs. See these claws here? So I investigated this plant and these leaves. I decided to check them out, and there is a plant called the Mickey Mouse plant. And there's these long leaves with a sharp end here. More importantly, though, if we look at this, see these flowers up here? Kind of a boxy square. Well, if we look at the boxy square of the flowers, if we go down in here, the flowers have a boxy square shape. Sort of was in the Voynich. And he wasn't good at drawing plants, but I think he got his idea from the mouse plant. And the leaves are long and flat with a pointy edge to them. So Wilfrid Voynich, or Michael Voynich, is the hoaxer, forger. I always find evidence inside this Voynich manuscript. And here's the cat and the mouse. And the stem just happens to be where the cat's head's at. So the cat is, that was the main part of his, about his business card. The cat had the mouse in his mouth of the Wilfrid Voynich motif for his business card. So, once again, thank you very much. Have a nice day. Oh, and before I hang up on you, let's get this is folio 90v1 in the Voynich manuscript. You can find that Jason Davies Voynich. Folio 90v1. Okay, so have a nice day or nice evening wherever you're at in the world.